That if you put water or metal, you might get a bad electricity shock.
Excellent. We did discuss electrical safety, didn't we? We said don't put water or metal anywhere near plug sockets. That's a very good thing to remember. How to be safe.
The circuit never ends.
Excellent. The circuit never ends. Well done, Louise.
The light will put on.
Excellent. You remembered one of our experiments, that we put a lemon in a circuit instead of a battery, and it still worked, didn't it? Well done, Ella. Naomi.
A circuit goes round, that's why it never ends.
Okay, good. Is it always exactly circular?
No.
No, good. Cassie.
Never play with electric because you could die or something would happen.
Good. There's lots of fantastic ideas here. Forward.
If you put a circuit into a paper, it will never work.
Super, well done. That was another one of our experiments, wasn't it? Serene.
When you want to light up a bulb, you just turn off the switch and the electricity goes inside the wires and then connects to the lamp and then the lamp on.
Okay, excellent. I like that word wires that you use. That's a very scientific word. Haida.
And I know there is lots of metal conductors that are like water, paper, toys.
Okay, what I like is that you use the scientific word conductors, which is very clever. I think some of it's a little bit confused between conductors and insulators, but that is excellent because that's what our experiment's going to be about. Okay, who can tell me what we have in the middle of the carpet? Kishi.
Wires and bulbs and battery.
Okay, is that components to make a simple or a complicated circuit?
Simple.
Simple, well done. Okay, Edward, away you go. Let's count how long it takes Edward to make a circuit. 1 elephant, 2 elephants, 3 elephants, 4 elephants, 5 elephants, 6 elephants, 7 elephants. Eclipse. Max, could you help show Edward how to use the crocodile? It's like a crocodile mouth, watch. Just press it gently.
Oh,
yeah, so if Max does one, and good, that's lovely teamwork, you two. That's a minute, it's just a long line. How are we going to connect that? Excellent.
It's not like doesn't have enough electricity.
So this is an even lesson time and you wanted to figure out what was happening with circuits. Is that right, Yasin?
Yeah.
Why do you like doing circuits so much?
It's so fun to use.
What's so fun about it? You did it! Way! Now why wouldn't it light with just that single battery, but it now will? Rahman.
Because this battery is not enough to light
that much light.
A small bulb is not enough to a small battery is not enough to light this bulb.
Forward.
The small battery is not enough to power the big.
Good. Power is a good word to use. So it's not powerful enough. Very good. Question.
Which materials are conductors?
Excellent. Cassie, what did you decide that you will need for this experiment?
Leads, bulbs, cables, batteries.
Excellent. Fuad, how are you going to do this experiment?
The science things?
Yeah? How will you do it tomorrow?
Those are as a team.
As a team, that's a good idea. And will you need to check anything before you start?
Yeah.
What will you need to check?
Bulbs, batteries, wires,
Okay, that everything's working, good. And oh, well, that's definitely making it fair. What about making a science experiment fair? Can anybody on the car? Okay, so how are you going to form this first circuit? Good. So hey there, Edward. Okay, so what are you doing first? Okay, and have you found out if it works yet? What do you need in that circuit to make it see if it works?
Where the green has to be?
See, this is loose, that's why it's not working properly. Okay?
Okay. A shell, and what did you find out about the shell? It didn't work, so what do we call that? Insulated, brilliant, well done. What was your prediction, Rahman? So you think it will be a... Excellent. Wow, so what have you found out, Yasin?
Use the tin foil and use the batteries, and the tin foil will light up the bulb.
So is it a conductor or an insulator?
Conductor.
And what material is tin foil made out of?
Plastic.
Is it?
No. Metal.
Oh, interesting.
Hey, what about a sock?
What do you think a sock would be, Haida?
An insulator.
What's happening?
So Fuad, what have you found out so far?
We tried many times and it's not, but it's not working.
It's not working. Which didn't work?
All of it.
Iron, but this part is aluminium. Well, I would say.
Why do you think the can might be aluminium, Naomi?
I think the can might be aluminium because it's not that strong and you can easily just squeeze it like that. But it looks a lot like iron.
Super. Let's have a look on the can. Is there anywhere that could show you that it's aluminium? Have a look at the back.
So, guys, is it lighting the bulb?
Right, Nora, tell me what you found out. And why do you think that is?
We go this way, Ella.
What are you writing, Sarah?
Our findings that we found out with a bottle of Coca-Cola.
What did you find out?
That the bottle of Coca-Cola is a conductor.
The full one and the empty one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
My prediction was wrong.
Why was it wrong? Ooh.
It lighted up.
What happened?
It lighted up.
It lit up. Fantastic. Cassie, why do you think it lit up?
Because these two crocodile clips are metal and the scissors are metal.
Are all of the scissors metal?
No.
Look at Fuad doing some very good filming. Cassie, what did you predict about the scissors? You predicted yes. Now what happens, Louisa, if you put one crocodile clip on the plastic part and one on the metal part? Do you want to try that? What do you think will happen?
It will not light.
You think it won't light? Now if it's... So your prediction was...
Yeah.
Good, you were right. It doesn't. So if it doesn't light, what does that mean?
Insulator.
Good, Max. Between the empty can and the full can in terms of the brightness of the bulb?
I think so. First, I think so. Inside there's water, so it doesn't...
Coin as well.
Not yet.
That's my lunch money, so I better have it back.
That's your lunch money? Was this your lunch?
Yeah, so you've pinched my lunch drink and my coin to buy my salad with. Oh, well there's no... You're missing something vital, Kishi. What were you testing? So why will you have to be careful with the coin?
Because it's really small and the crocodile clips might touch each other.
Excellent. So the crocodile clips could be touching each other. Wow. Okay, so the bulb's lit. What about if you change it to the full can? Bright as well. Okay, but now if you hold it there, let's see the bulb because that's what we really need to be able to see to test. So hold it now in the middle. You hold the bulb, Damalola, so we can really focus on the bulb. Hold the crocodile clip. Okay, how would you describe the brightness of the bulb? Naomi?
You can say it's as bright as the sun.
It's as bright as the sun. That's a very nice way to describe it. It's extremely bright, isn't it? Okay, what happens if you put the crocodile clips now in the middle of the can and hold them there?
I think
What? So are they both touching the can? Hold it there for a minute. Are they both touching the can, Damalola? Okay, so now what's happened? Try that one. Oh, well that's interesting. Why do you think that might be? Naomi? Very interesting. So we'll have to investigate that further, won't we? Excellent. And
It looks like fire.
yeah. Oh, you want to add... What do we mean by self-assessing your work? Ariel?
It's like traffic lighting and ticking what you have done well and what you have to do better.
What a star answer. Well done, Ariel. Who can show me where you're going to self-assess? Cassie, could you show me? Your group's already done it, haven't you? Super. Excellent. And which have you ticked? What colour have you ticked?
Purple.
And what was the purple? Can anyone in this group remind me? Max?
To know how I can use not like being crazy with them and doing it properly.
Excellent. So using equipment correctly. Well done.
We were writing down our predictions and we were seeing whether anything got wrong.
Okay, anything was wrong. And what's the very posh word of saying that? When something's surprising, how could you write that? Damalola?
Unexpected.
unexpected outcomes.
Or it was very bright or it was dim.
Dim, good word. Vocabulary?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to fly around the room and I want a scientific word from everyone. Go.
Conductor. Insulator. Conductor.
Any word.
Cooper.
Copper, good.
Copper. Insulator.
Insulator, good.
Insulator. Insulator. Metal. Insulator. Silver. Bulb. Nickel. Aluminium. Electrical. Bronze. Gold. Iron. Silver. Electricity.
Miss Kathy?
Battery.
Share a finding. I think we could have everybody share one finding. So why don't we start with Nora and then we'll go down the line. You can all tell us something you found out.
Tin foil. I predicted it will light thing. My finding is it lit up, and my prediction was right.
Excellent, Nora. Serene?
In the shell, my prediction that the shell won't work, and my prediction was right.
So it didn't work. What does that mean? It's
Insulator.
excellent. Yasin?
That's. We did this.
Big voice.
I written it will, and then it really did work. So it's a conductor.
Excellent, Yasin. Serene? Shireen?
When we tried a magnet and we placed it with the battery, it didn't work.
And were you surprised by that?
Yeah.
You were surprised? I think so. So that's an unexpected outcome. That's a very posh way of saying that. Okay, could you give them a big clap? Okay, so we'll do the same with this group. And if Edward would like to start, share something that you found out with everyone.
On the stick, I thought it was an insulator, and it was an insulator.
So your prediction was? Right. Yeah, brilliant. Haida?
The glass, I thought it was a conductor, but it was an insulator, so it was no.
Okay. Daniel?
The feather, I predicted it is an insulator, and it was right.
Excellent. Ariel?
I thought that it would be a conductor, but it was an insulator.
Wow. So were you surprised by any of your findings?
Yeah.
Which one were you surprised by?
The glass.
Glass. Did you think glass would be a conductor? Very interesting. Max, do you want to tell everybody your findings?
My prediction was to the shell that I was wrong, and my prediction was yes, so it was an insulator.
Cassie? The paper clip.
Yeah, the paper clip, and I thought it would be a conductor, and it wasn't.
So you got your prediction right. Good. Ella? Do you think the material was going to let electricity through or it was going to stop it?
Stop it.
And were you right?
Yes.
You were right. Good. So is material an insulator or a conductor, Ella?
Insulator.
Good girl. Fuad?
My prediction was
The drawing pin. So did you think the drawing pin was going to be a conductor or an insulator?
a conductor.
And what did you find out?
My prediction was right.
It was right. Super. Louisa?
I was doing the scissors. I guess no, and it was insulated, and it was a no.
Excellent. That's an interesting one, isn't it? Because it's got metal and plastic on. Very good. Rahman?
The feather, it didn't work because it's an insulator and it's not metal or plastic.
And what was your prediction?
My prediction was cross. It means for wrong. And I was right.
Okay, super. Give this group a big clap.
I thought it was working, and we tried it, and the bulb did lights, and my prediction was right.
Excellent. And how, Naomi and Sarah, how brightly did the bulbs light for the two things that you're talking about?
In the feather, it didn't light at all.
It didn't light at all. Excellent. Sarah, for yours? How bright was it?
The bottle of Coca-Cola and the bulb did light.
Mael, can you help, or Damilola, how brightly did it shine? Oh wow, so it was maximum brightness. That's very interesting. Mael. Nice big voice, Mael, because you're feeding back.
The coin, I think the coin is conductor, and we got it right.
That it was right, super. And how brightly did the bulb light? Was it very bright, or was it dim, or?
It was very light.
Very bright. Okay, excellent. Kishi.
I don't know the name, but it's like silver paper or
Foil, tin foil.
tin foil. My prediction was conductor, and it was conductor, and my prediction was right.
Yeah, the metal bottle, good.
It might light up, and my prediction was right.
Excellent. And was it brighter or duller than the can?
It's as bright as it would be. From
So it's the same.
Yeah. And when we were having a little fun, we used like an electric fan.
Excellent.
And it spun around.
Did it? Wow. Okay, give this group a big clap.